Did you all watch the rocket launch this weekend? I did. It was so exciting. Did you know that that's the first time a rocket has launched from the United States in 9 years? That was before you were even born, was the last time. So this was a pretty cool thing that we got to see this weekend. And if you missed it, that's okay, because Lily put a video of it in Science Day. So you can watch the rocket launch. And she also included a tour of the International Space Station, which is where the rocket is going with the astronauts. And the International Space Station is a place where astronauts from all over the world can live and do research and do science experiments and learn all about outer space. So there is an astronaut who will take you on a tour, and she will show you where they sleep. Excuse me. Show you where they sleep and where they exercise and some of the other things that happen in the International Space Station. So before you do Creation Station, you might want to watch that so that you can get a little inspiration for what you're going to make, which is a rocket ship. Let's build our own rocket ships with, you could use recycled materials, you could draw your own rocket ship, you could build it out of blocks, whatever you want to do to make your own rocket. I was thinking I would use this too, because when I watched the video, I noticed that the rocket is really long and it's a cylinder and it's thin. So I thought this would be a really great rocket. If I wanted to make a smaller one, then maybe I could use this jar. If I wanted to make a really wide rocket, I could use this container. So see what you have around your house and you can get to making your rocket. And there's a second video I posted below this one that shows you how to build a rocket that will actually launch. So before you do that, you have to ask your grown-up if you can do it. 1, because you're going to need their help. And 2, because it's an outside activity. But you will need a plastic bottle. You will need some vinegar and some baking soda. Do you remember when we used to make potions with vinegar and baking soda, and when you mix the two of them together, what would happen? So you're going to do the same thing inside the bottle. Also need 3 pencils or popsicle sticks and some tape and a cork. And the video will tell you all of the things that you need. So if you want to build a rocket that will launch, watch that video. And maybe you won't do it today. Maybe you'll do it another day. But you can always go back and find that video so that you can make a rocket that launches if your grown-up says it's okay. I'm going to make one a little bit later today, and I will share it with you. So have fun and show us your recycled material rocket ships when you are all done creating them.